Put this plate. This plate. Like that.
Thank you, Kyle.
So you got one there resting.
You got oil on me.
Oh, mate, it's all part of the fun.
Why do you make it so Gordon Ramsay style?
Get in there, baby.
This is the watch it one. It's like these two are the watch it. And that's the breadcrumbs.
Your ones are a lot more. Ouch!
Mine's in the middle.
Yours are a lot more crunchy, aren't they?
He's gonna burn his face off.
We have a little break open.
No,
Let's have a little break open on
oh,
this.
wait, I do it first. You're gonna have to be a sore loser and cut it with scissors. Oh my god. It looks like a butthole.
Do you mind?
What? It's a butthole.
Okay, mate. Compliment is that? Is that a backhanded compliment? Get in there. Run away!